Welcome to the first episode in my How to Write an Essay series. And this is going to be super helpful for you if you're going to be writing any sort of essay for your English or literature classes. So make sure you stay tuned and watch till the end of the video to find out exactly how to write a thesis statement. A thesis statement is your main argument in an essay. In English literature, we are often asked to write essays about a specific theme or topic in a poem, novel, or play. And our thesis statement would essentially be our view on how this specific theme or topic is presented in the text. The nature of a thesis is argumentative, not descriptive. This means that we shouldn't be writing something like this. In The Great Gatsby, Jay Gatsby falls in love with Daisy Buchanan and suffers a personal tragedy as a result. No! Instead, our thesis should look more like this. In The Great Gatsby, unrequited love is portrayed as the primary cause of Jay Gatsby's personal tragedy. Whereas the first sentence describes what literally happens in the plot, the second sentence puts forth a view that is defensible, around which we can build a substantial argument. So, how do we write a good thesis statement? The first step is simple. Ask yourself what you think about a given theme or topic in the text. What are your views on how the theme is presented by the author? And how do you think this contributes to the main message of the text? The second step is to consider if you can build a comprehensive argument around your view. Now, if you think that Fitzgerald portrays unrequited love as a primary cause of Jay Gatsby's tragedy, can you find several moments from the novel to support your claim? Now, equally, are there other possible causes of Gatsby's tragedy that another student could argue for? And if so, you've got yourself 80% of a solid thesis statement. Now, for the final step, you want to summarize the key literary techniques that the author uses to present the theme you're about to discuss. So, for instance, if you want to discuss the use of symbolism and imagery as the key techniques with which Fitzgerald presents unrequited love in The Great Gatsby, then we could write our thesis like this. In The Great Gatsby, F. Scott Fitzgerald portrays unrequited love as the primary cause of Jay Gatsby's personal tragedy through the use of symbolism and imagery. And there you have it, guys, the 3 simple steps to writing a kick-ass thesis statement for your next English essay. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, I'd massively appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more useful lit videos down the line. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!